Yo, we back with another video. And today we have an unboxing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So these right here are from a reseller. I usually go to him here or there when he have a good deal. He had these going for a deal, so I said, go ahead and send them to me. Let me check them out. So me, I'm very picky on shoes that I get because sometimes I don't want to do any work. Sometimes I do all the work for a big profit. But anyways, nevertheless, let's go ahead and get into this. So these are a Jordan 5, a Jordan 5 low to be exact. So I'm gonna get this label off and then we gonna get to the part everybody been waiting for. So now when it comes to packing, I love opening a box and seeing all this bubble wrap. To me, that makes me think they actually take pride in what they do. So this is a black, gold, and silver box. What's crazy, they put plastic bags around it also, like, yo. So these also came out in May of 2021. And they are the Air Jordan 5 Retro Low Wings, class of 2021. Now the colorway on these is decent, cannot lie about it. But right here, we just got to do a little cleaning and then maybe redo the bottoms a little bit, maybe 1-2 sessions. And they getting posted just like that. So if you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching.